Hey Olympia Heights, today I want to talk about one of my listings, 8460 Southwest 47th Street, close to Tropical Park. The home needs a lot of repairs, but there was still a great amount of demand for the home. So let's go inside and let's take a closer look at it. So the home was originally built in 1969. It has 1,700 square feet. The garage is unconverted, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a lot size of 10,000 square feet. So a really large lot size for this area. The front, the owner was smart. It looked really bad. He spent about $1,500, and it really attracted everyone. So everyone who saw the home really loved the front landscaping and the sides. So let's come on in. As you can see, from 1969, what was popular are the terrazzo floors. So we have these terrazzo floors. They're typically about $8 a square foot. And this home itself has a good amount of space and a lot of potential. We have the kitchen here, original kitchen. It needs to be gutted. The cabinets are not well. They need to be changed out. But the space of the kitchen is very nice. So you also see on the floor, you can see here, there's some staining. These are roof leaks that are actually coming in because we had a little bit of rain. The bathrooms here need to be changed out. So we can go ahead and take a look at the bathroom. Overall, this home is going to need over $100,000 in repairs. If you update the kitchen, the bathrooms, the floors, check the plumbing. The electrical panel is about 2 generations old, so let's go over here. So this is the first bedroom, in case you want to just take a glance here and come in. It has two windows, so that's the nice one. This is the hallway, so this is leading back to here. This is like a 2-generation old breaker system that needs to be changed out, and a lot of times you won't get insurance if this doesn't get changed out. In the second bedroom, you can see here all the wall units. The whole house does not have central AC, has the wall units, and they work because the home was cool. And it looks like plumbing on the other side of this wall, which is the master bedroom, was leaking, and it rotted out this piece of wood over here. So we're looking right now going into the master bedroom. This is the large room, and it's got its own bath. But it needs, you can see it really needs a lot of work. So that's where I'm thinking that the leak's coming in through the wall over there. So overall, this home needs over $100,000 in repairs. And I listed it below the average. So I listed it for $350, knowing that it needed a lot of repairs. And what happened was it drove a lot of traffic. So we had over 400 people here in one weekend. So I listed it on a Thursday. Thursdays are a good day because it gives the realtors a day and a half to prep for the weekend. And then all your best offers are going to come through the weekend. And that way you have business hours Monday, Tuesday to really review the offers. So we listed it at $350, had a bunch of people come up. My phone was so busy, as I was answering calls, 2 other calls would come in and then I would have to try to call them back. The open house, I advertised it to my database, I advertised it on the MLS, and we had over 200 people come to see the open house. What ended up happening is typically you get about 20 offers on a home, maybe on a busy one you get 31. On this home, we got 83 offers, and a bunch of them were over $400,000, no inspection, cash, closing in 5 days. So what happened is because of all the competition and the social pressure, it really drove those prices up. People had to wait in line to get into the house because we have COVID, so we're only allowing 1 family at a time. So they would wait in line to get into the home to see it. So that drives this social pressure where if you're going to be serious about this house, you need to throw your highest and best. And it's really working. So you can see a home in this condition could sell really well. So let's go outside and let's take a look at the outside. And that's it. That's really going to be it for me today. So this is the front again. You can see it. It's connected. Well, the garage is unconverted, but there's really nothing to see there. And here's the big backyard. So you have space for a pool. You have a couple good fruit trees. You have mango, anon, bitter oranges, Cuban plum, and you have a lot of space. I know the owner used to keep a boat back here, and it was definitely, it's a great home. So let's see what ends up happening. All right, until next time.